see what's going on.
Morning.
What you working on?
Huh?
What are you working on today?
Betty bus.
Oh.
Placing the front suspension.
I hope you got a big ladder. What are you doing?
Working.
On what? What are you doing?
Zwitter. Putting the front end together.
Ooh. So tell me about this.
Placing the whole front foot from here forward. Everything brand new.
So you're welding,
Welding, cutting, grinding,
make a racket.
all that fun stuff.
Sounds good. Keep up the good work. Shannon. Hey, Shannon. Oh, yeah. Making a whole big racket. What are you up to?
Turn down the tunes.
What are you doing?
Polishing. Don't do my rework.
Rework.
Hey.
Time traveling again today?
Not yet. Just trying to get into a groove. Some days are harder than others. So.
Yeah. So what do you do to get into?
Kind of zone out on the music and the noise of the shop and the tool and see if you can get your brain to turn off.
Yeah.
So it's like, some days it's harder to get into that Zen moment than others. So
yeah.
Today's just kind of like, got a lot on my brain.
Yeah.
So, anyway.
So what else is going on in the shop?
Gaza's about ready to come back to the body shop.
Oh, okay.
Rodney's got probably another day and a half on that for rough metal.
Grinding and grinding.
Yep. He's got the 52 Zwitter starting. Starting to come together.
Yeah.
So it's slow but sure. Mr. Fetterman's bus is going to get blasted today. The blast guy should be here in about an hour.
Nice.
So we'll get some parts back. Yeah, we sent out last week secondary panels so they could blast them in-house. It's a little bit cheaper and they're smaller parts.
Oh.
But for the vehicles, we don't like the vehicles leaving the shop once they're here.
Yeah.
So we like them when they leave. We don't want to come back.
Right.
We really don't want...
you like to maintain control of the vehicle at all times.
Yeah, it's like even our interiors we do in-house because I don't want the car going somewhere else.
Right. You just never know.
I don't... It's not that I don't trust anybody. It's just like I'd rather have it under the control of the shop because we're responsible.
I was going to say, if you're responsible for it, then you got to do what you got to do to keep it safe. Cool.
Your things.
It's not. You're fine. Oh, you're dancing? That's kind of nice. Oh wait, you guys got to see the moves.
White guy move.
Very nice, very nice.
White guy move. So we got an update on the book. Supposed to ship on the 16th.
Yeah.
Is what we got told yesterday. So if you guys pre-ordered your books, they should be coming next week, hopefully.
Yeah.
Sorry for the long, drawn-out lead time on it.
Crazy.
It's out of our control.
It's a little frustrating. Yeah, I mean, we can't do anything.
I know. It's like I've got my copies, and you know, I know they're available. I've seen them. I've signed them.
Yeah.
We've given them away at Chattanooga. We're going to be giving them away at Cruise in the Coop. We're going to give them away at the Tannehill Show. I think we're sending some out to the West Coast for a big show out there.
Cool.
Up in Crescent City.
Oh,
so
okay.
we'll let people know more about that as we get closer to that show. I think it's in June or July.
Okay.
So
Sounds good. And if anybody wants theirs signed,
just bring it to me. I'll sign it. I don't care.
Or send it to the shop.
Or send it to
if
the
you're not
shop.
nearby.
458 Guy Wilson Road, Hazel Green, Alabama.
It's on the website too.
35750. So next available is probably going to be July, August.
Oh, for restoration.
Restoration.
Yeah.
So if you guys want to get your cars done, actually August, I just filled July's.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Cool. What's
So,
coming in?
We've got a mechanical resto, maybe an engine and transmission, don't know yet.
Nice.
Where's
it coming from?
A camper. It's coming from Florida.
Huh.
So hopefully there won't be any rust that we
I
have
was
to deal
just
with.
thinking rust.
So we'll see it when he gets here, but
Yeah.
he's scheduled for a mechanical restoration, which is brakes, suspension, engine, trans, running gear, electrical, and a little bit of interior work.
Okay.
So they just want basically a driver. They don't really want to touch the body, but
Right,
it's still going to
okay.
take us a couple months.
All right. That makes sense. So August is.
August next available.
Okay.
So
Man, you're gonna have the whole year full soon.
I'm hoping so. It's like that's usually the goal. 256 828 2123. So
2123.
yeah, so it's a little quiet, so you can go ask the guys what they're doing now.
Yeah.
And there goes Rodney.
Oh.
Go get Rodney.
He's quick. He's
Go
quick.
get him. Go get him. Go get him.
Oh, we're gonna chase him. What are you up to? What are you up to? I saw you were grinding away.
The nose on Gaza. Lower nose that nobody will ever see.
Oh man. Just a couple minutes ago, that was all lumpy. How do you do what you do? This is incredible. How did you learn? That's what I want to know.
Self-taught.
So,
Trial
what did
and
you-
error.
Okay, you have a whole selection of dubs. What tool did you buy, like, to first learn how to do metal?
The welder and a hammer
A welder and a hammer.
and a piece of metal to
And a
beat
piece-
on.
Okay, so extra
And a
metal.
vise.
Good.
Yep.
And
that's
how did it come out the first?
First thing, major project I ever did was chop the top on a car.
Seriously, you just dove
Seriously,
right
I
in.
just dove right in.
The one that you chopped really beautifully, like everybody's like, whoa, that's
Yeah,
perfect.
like 5 inches. Yeah.
So you have like natural talent.
Well, I don't know about natural, but yeah.
Unnatural talent.
Still have to work. You still have to work at it. But
Well, yeah, it's practice, but
Yep.
wow. And what do you love about doing the metal? Look at this. This is incredible. You guys
It's
can
a-
see from there, it's flat, you know?
It's just,
Is it
it's one of my
soft?
ways that I just zone out.
Okay. That's pretty cool. And do you see, like,
Yeah,
you
I can see
the
it finished.
end? Yeah, okay.
I can see it finished before I start.
I see that happening a lot.
Yeah, I have a vision in mind, and then it goes from there.
Make it look like that. That's pretty cool. And how long have you been doing that?
In 28 years, something like that. Yeah.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
They say 10 years of practice makes you a master, so
No,
you're almost at
I'm no
3
master
decades.
by no means.
Well, he's
I
very humble.
still always want to learn. So.
Well, there's always more to learn. That's really gorgeous.
And all
Very
that nobody
cool.
will ever see.
No.
It's sitting on the ground.
Yeah, exactly. It's as slow as we're slamming this thing, right? Does he want it like, maybe you could put a piece of paper under it, or?
No, a little bit taller than that.
Okay.
It'll be a couple inches off the ground, but he wants it pretty low.
Yeah.
So
I like
we got
that.
4-wheel disc brakes going on it, and shove some big tires up underneath it. It'll be good.
Nice.
4-inch narrowed beam, so we can stick a little bit wider tires in.
Oh, wow. Oh, that's
It'll be good.
very cool.
The pan will be here today,
Oh,
back
good.
from powder coat. So
Okay. Great. Fantastic.
we'll start on it probably this week too.
Gorgeous. Oh, and talk about the headlights. What'd you do? This is different, right?
Way different.
Very different.
Pre-66
Uh-huh.
Beetle headlights. in it. That'll run the early style headlights with a 911 lens.
Okay.
on it.
And they're like angled back.
Yeah, they're laid back in there, but the headlights are actually straight, but the lenses are angled back.
Oh, okay. That's gonna be pretty
They'll
cool.
give it a cool 356 look.
Yeah.
So that's what we're going for. Then the rear deck lid's off being fabricated with Porsche 356 grills in it
Oh, wow.
as well.
And isn't that gonna be kind of like flattened or slanty?
Yes, we're going to smooth it all out. No bumps in it, no lumps in it. No badging, no license plate light, no.
It's just gonna run naked.
It's going to run naked for now.
No chrome anyway,
There's
right?
no chrome on this car at all. There's no door handles on this car at all.
How's he getting in?
We're doing electric door poppers
Oh,
and
wow.
electric windows.
Oh, that's cool.
That'd be good.
That's really cool. Oh, this is gonna be something awesome to watch. All right, guys, we'll leave you with that.